Today I'm going to show how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2002 Subaru Outback. Mine is a 4-cylinder, but I think the filter is actually the same for both the 4 and the 6, even though the Subaru parts computer does not say so. The first task is to remove the knockout pins. There's one on each side of the glove box. Here you can see I've already removed one. The cat came to help. And here you can see the glove box drops down. Now we have to undo the 4 screws. There's 2 there and 2 there. Actually, there's about 7 or 8 screws that need to be removed. And this side panel actually has to come off. And there was one hidden screw that was hidden by this little side panel. The final step to remove the glove box was to undo the little connector for the light. Next we're going to undo the resistor connector, and then we're going to undo these 4 little clips. 3, 4, and it says to only use a flat blade screwdriver on the ends of the clips, not the center of the clips. Here you can see the 2 parts of the filter. Disgusting. I'm going to go get the vacuum for this one. The filter housing's pretty nicely cleaned out. Some stuff I can't quite grab with the vacuum attachment. Hi, kitty. Now we'll put in the new filter assembly. This top piece kind of goes up like that, and the lower piece slides in below it. Now we'll reattach this resistor plate. With the 4 little clips. I'm not sure how easy this will be. Actually, it's not hard at all. Reattach the resistor plug. Click securely. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the glove box with the 8 screws, the 2 slightly larger bolts, the 1 little tiny screw that held the side panel, and then the 2 knockout pins which hold the glove box in place. Don't forget to reattach the switch for the light on the glove box as the first step. Don't forget the tiny little screw that holds in the tip of the side panel. Second to last step is to install the last two screws on the side panel that are actually hidden behind the glove box flange. Next I'm going to install the knockout tab, and there both knockout tabs are installed.